Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would jump start your car. Say your battery is dead and you've gone ahead and you've checked your voltage to see or it just won't start. It's making a click noise, and you check your voltage and you're under your 12 volts or more and you're not getting any start. Well, to start with, you're going to want to be able to jump start your car, but also you can see we've got some corrosion on this, so we're going to want to clean that off, because if you have a bad connection that can also be a problem. But you can check the voltage, but if you have a bad connection, then you potentially, that'd be a reason why your car won't start. So to start with, you can clean that corrosion off with just a little bit of a good wire brush, or there are battery terminal cleaner sprays, but they, you have to put those on, soak it, and it will also, the acid itself, it'll eat it down. You're gonna undo that one. It's a size 10 millimeter. Alright, so we've needed to kind of rock it back and forth to be able to get that out. And now we'll be able to clean that up a lot better. So we have this. This is just a battery terminal cleaner. It's got a wire brush inside here so that you can clean that off. And then on the other side, it has, so you can be able to clean the insides of your battery connection or the cable. Alright, so we clean that the best we can. Like I said, there are sprays you can spray on and give it time to clean up, but generally just a good clean with wire brush will be able to get you a good connection. So once you've got the good connection, then you can go ahead and start and see if it works. But if that doesn't work, then the way you would jump start the car, you just take your jumper cables. You're going to hook this to the positive on this car. Then you hook the other side to the positive on the other car. Then we hook the negative to a good ground on the car and not to the negative post. But if you can find the strut bolts, they're a good ground. You want something that doesn't have, not coated in paint generally. And that gets you a good ground there, and then you put this negative to the other car's negative post, and then you'll be able to provide power to this battery. And you may want to charge the battery for a few minutes before just trying to start the car. Then start the car, and then you would check to see, then you would go through the process to check, has your battery gone bad? Did you just leave the lights on? Other things like that. Or if your alternator is not charging completely. And so you can diagnose that with a voltmeter or a battery checker or anything like that to be able to diagnose whether your battery has gone bad or whether it's your alternator that hasn't kept it up. But that's how you jump start your car. and clean your battery terminal on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.